Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an app on Bubble. So simply, as you know that Bubble.io is a famous website to create applications. Like you can create any application, desktop web application, mobile application, and simply you don't need to insert any code. So all the sections available, simply you have to drag it. So now we will create a simple app on Bubble. So how you can create it? Simply, first of all, you have to create account on Bubble.io. After that, just simply sign up and log into your account. And now here you can see that create an app option. So simply just click on create an app, and after that select the name of application. Like I want to create application, so simply I will type the name here. So now after when you type the name of application, keep in mind that you have to select a unique name that is not normal name, because Bubble.io directly create the URL of your application. So as you can see, my URL is available here. So simply you have to select the unique name. If you select a common name for application, it will not be created on Bubble. So simply I have selected the unique name. After that, here you can also explore the templates on the marketplace. So simply you can also select the templates here. But now simply what we need to do, we will simply click on create app, or simply select this template. So simply just click on create application, and after that when you click on create application, you will move to your dashboard. So simply if you want to get the templates, you can easily get the template here. After that, just when you move to your dashboard, simply in the next step, as you can see, all the options are now available here: design, workflow, data, style, plugins, settings, and logs. Now in order to create an app, simply you have to first add the header, or if you don't want to add the header, so simply you can start from text. So simply I add the header here. So now if you want to edit this section, like if you want to edit this one, simply you have to double click on it, and now you will move to properties of this button. Simply you can see you can change the image here. You can also change the external source image cropping. So simply you can also crop the image here. So now after that, here you can see you can also add the tags here. So here you can change the style, or simply you can create a new style here. So these all are options here. So simply now here rotation angle, you can also set this. You can also set the width like 95, so we will change it to 140, and simply also aspect ratio, and after that conditional. So here you can also apply the condition. So first of all, as you can see, we have added the header. Now just go down, and here the main section, bring your version to life, you can also edit this, but simply now we will delete this one. Now as you can see, this is the text option here. Simply just you have to move and drag it here. Now here you have to add the text, like simply I will add the text here, and simply here select the size. So you can also change the font color, and you can also replace or delete it. Here you can also set the layout and condition. Now this is very simple. Yes, that if you want to make an application, simply when you select an element here and paste it onto your DOS dashboard, simply now if you want to make changing on your element, simply you have to double click on it, and you will go to properties and change it. Like here I want to change the login option here, so simply I will double click on it, and here I can change the appearance, layout, and you can see the all layout setting available here, and here you can also apply the condition on it. So you don't need to go to settings and check one by one. Simply you have to double click and edit this section. Now again you can see the button option, so simply we will drag the some button here. So now as you can see, we have dragged the button here. We will just make the name beautiful. So after that, just if you want to edit the button, simply select the button, double click on it, and here you can edit this. Simply you can also edit this one, like I have changed the name. Simply just change the name here. So now after that, in the next section, when you design some kind of application, simply what you need to do, you have to go to workflow, and here you have to select that when a condition apply, like if you click on the U button, then what condition should be applied. So on the what page you want to move, or what kind of action you want to see when you click on U. So simply you have to do this. Simply you have to copy the same name here, like I have this U name here. So simply just go to workflow, and here's icon menu. So simply just you have to, if you have a header, footer, or text, so simply just, as you can see, text my app I have selected, and here you can also select the color, like I selected blue one. And now simply just, this is the action area. Now if you click on this one, the action will be appeared. So now simply after that, on the next section you can see the data option. So here your all data will be stored. So simply first of all we will upload image here, like I will select the image and simply upload image here, double click on it, and after that click on upload. Now select the image, click on open, and now whenever you upload the image, it depends upon the image size, the website will take some time to upload the image. So as you can see, our image is finally uploaded here. So in the same way you can also add multiple image here, like I have added this section, and you can also select the size. After that, like you have select this image, and now if you want to add the database, simply what you need to do, so as you can see, this is the button that I want to add the data, like I want to add the data in me. So simply I will go to data source, and now here you have to click on create a new field. So simply I want to store data in me, file type text, simply you have to click on create. So now again click on create new field, just type text and click on create. So simply again just type create a new field. In the same way, go to design, and you have to select your this name and just copy it and go to database, just click on create a new field, just type here and file type text, simply just click on create. So now again after that, just go back, and here you can see the icon options. So simply you can also add the icon here, change the icon format here, simply drag another icon here, just simply select the icon here. So after that, selecting the icon, you can also add the link image already add, so you can also add the shapes here. So what kind of shape you want, so simply click here, and you can also change the layout and apply the condition. So now if you want to apply the condition, simply you click here, and just here you can apply the condition, define another condition, do a search for add a new. So here you can apply the condition according to your text, button, or file format. So simply after that, just here you can see the alert option, so you can also added the alert option, like this is the for notification or any kind of alert on your website. And in the next section you can see you can also add the video and HTML. Simply drag the video portion here. So here you have to upload the video. You can also upload video from YouTube, or even you can also add your channel link here. So now in the next you can see HTML maps. So simply you can also add the Google map here, so it will be appeared on your website. In some cases you need to apply the location, or you allow the customers to set the location. So in order to do this you have to simply upload the maps here. After that, here you can input multiple items like drop down box, search box. If you want to add the search box in your application, you can simply add here. So you can also add the check box, so radio buttons, slider input, date and time picker, picture uploader. So here when you upload a picture uploader, simply when someone using your application and you want to upload a picture, so you have, in this case you have to upload a picture uploader here, and you can also apply the condition here. After that, just here you can see the plugins option. So simply here you can also add the plugin to your application. Just simply you can easily install the plugins, and you can also uninstall the plugins here. After that, here the settings, the basic application settings like your domain name, account settings available here. So if you want to change the domain name of applications, you can change it. So in this way you can design your application. So it depends upon you how much page you want to add in your application and how much item you want to add here. So after that, when you create an application, you need to publish. So in order to publish your application, you have to simply buy a premium package. After that you will be able to publish your application, and then you can upload your application onto different app store. So in this way you can create